Hello everyone. In this video, we will go through the important updates related to senior residents or demonstrator examination July 2025 session of AIMS New Delhi. So here we look at the important date that exam will be conducted on 26th of July 2025 will be the stage 1, that is theory exam. After that, the expected result will be on 6th of August, and after declaration of result there will be date for the interview, that is stage 2. And the online registration closing date is 11 July. By 11 July you have to upload your fully filled registration form. Now the important update regarding the eligibility. To be eligible for selection, whether you're doing MD or you're doing DNB in any subject, your result should come at least by 30th September. This is the last date. If your result means your result should be available by 30th September, and if it comes after that, then candidature will be stand cancelled. Applicants who are working in any other hospital apart from AIMS, then you have to, in any government hospital, any other government institution, they have to submit their NOC. You have to give this NOC while you are filling the form, and in the interview also you have to bring this NOC certificate. Those students who are working in AIMS, like doing PG in AIMS, so it's not compulsory for them. If they are providing it, it's fine. Even if you are not providing, so this is not a compulsion for them. And age relaxation, these are common. Here the important about the OBC non-creamy layer certificate, that they have to submit the certificate according to whatever the central government criteria. But the important thing that certificate should be issued from the 1st April 2025 to 11th of July 2025. It is mandatory that your OBC non-creamy layer certificate must get issued between these dates. And similarly, for the EWS certificate, the date will remain same, that is from 1st April to 11th of July. After that, educational certificate, as I already told you, that 30th September, and about the NOC certificate. And then we come on to important update, and this is the fee that you have to submit for filling the form, that is 3,000 for general or OBC candidate and for 2,400 for SC/ST and EWS candidates. This is the center. Admit card will get issued 5 days before the examination. The important is the pattern syllabus of the examination. Stage 1 will be a computer based test, and stage 2 will be the interview. The important what changes they have made. The most important change is that initially never negative marking was never there in this examination, but this time they have introduced this, that the exam will be stage 1 90 minutes, number of question 80 MCQ in the subject concerned, type of question MCQ, correct answer 1 mark, incorrect answer -1/3. It means 3 wrong question, then 1 mark will be deducted. Initially there was no negative marking, but I still have a doubt because they have written both things, that incorrect answer -1/3, negative marking not applicable. So after asking from the convergence block who conduct examination, in my next video I'll confirm you what is this, because they have put both the points. So I am also not understanding whether this negative marking is actually now applicable or not. So after getting the complete information, I'll update. Now interview will be on second stage. This is only the most important points. Rest you can go through the complete brochure, and for any doubt you can visit the AIMS official website. Thank you.